Where is oil headed in 2025? That's the question pretty much every client asks us at the beginning of the year. We think oil prices will mostly hover between the high 60s and the low 70s throughout 2025. Of course, with a far greater downside risk, primarily because of oversupplied markets and sluggish demand for oil globally. If the Russia-Ukraine conflict cools off, we could see Russian oil come back into the market, which should put further downward pressure on prices. On the flip side, if tensions with Iran ramp up and sanctions tighten, then their oil exports will drop, which might send prices higher for a little while. OPEC Plus will try to stabilize things, but overall geopolitical risks will play a far lower role on oil prices now than in the past. Finally, the second Trump administration will try to deregulate oil markets, but we think this will have a much limited impact on boosting US shale production, primarily because most onshore shale operators here in the US are focused on profits and returns as opposed to ramping up production. Also, if production goes up now in the US, we think that it will further depress prices because of the broader oversupply globally. And so, bottom line, we don't see much of an impact in terms of boosting US oil production significantly. We're going to talk a lot more about all of this at the ADI Forum next month in February in Houston. Join us and you can learn more about the forum at adi-forum.com.